Hi everyone, welcome back to the new session. Let us continue the lesson Gopal and the Hilsa fish. Gopal had dressed ridiculously and he was out to bring the Hilsa fish. Gopal bought the Hilsa fish and started walking towards the palace. He was having a huge Hilsa and walking towards the palace. On the way, the child was talking to mother. Mother, look at that man. Isn't he comical? His dress were very strange, ridiculous. The children were talking about him and even the people. He must be a madman. The people were discussing. Shh, I think he is a mistake. Mistake means difficult to understand. When Gopal reached the court, what do you want? The guard stopped and asked him. I want to see the king. Gopal answered that he wanted to reach the court to meet the king. You can't see the king. You can't see the king. Get away with you. His dress were disgraceful. They thought that he was a mad, so the guard didn't allow him to meet the king. Gopal began to dance and sing loudly. To grab the attention of the king, he behaved differently. He started to dance and sing loudly. Inside the palace, the man is crazy. Throw him out of throw him out at once. I want to see the king. Let me in. The king was in the palace and the king thought that he was a mad. He ordered the guards to send him. At that time, the Gopal the courtier Gopal was telling, I wanted to meet the king. Then the guard came and expressed that. Then the king allowed him, bring that man to me at once. Then the guard agreed and went. Yes, Your Majesty. Gopal was brought before the king. Then the courtiers identified him. It is Gopal. The man has lost his mind. They thought that he was mad. I think it is one of his crazy jokes. Another one minister said, it is a joke. I think it is one of his crazy jokes. Alright, Gopal, out with it. Why are you dressed up in this ridiculous fashion? The king asked him, why did you dress in this ridiculous fashion? Your Majesty, you seem to have forgotten something. Then the Gopal tried to remind him. It seems, I think, you have forgotten something. Forgotten something? The king surprisingly asked him. Strangely enough, no one seems to be interested in Hilsa fish today. Strangely, on that day, everyone was thinking about the person who had dressed ridiculously. No one was talking about Hilsa fish. From the market to the palace and in the court, not a soul has spoken a word about Hilsa fish. From the market to the palace, even in the court also, no one is speaking about Hilsa. Everyone is bothering or worrying about the person. Only then did the king remember the challenge he had thrown at thrown to Gopal. Then the king remembered the challenge which was thrown at the minister Gopal. Ha, well, Gopal, congratulations. You have achieved the impossible once again. The king remembered his challenge which was thrown at Gopal and appreciated him, congratulated him. This is the end of the lesson. Read this comic and let us discuss the question answers of this lesson in the next session. Thank you. Have a nice day.